Hi friends, welcome to this video for ISTQB Foundation level training. And here we will briefly discuss about the exam, the foundation level exam of ISTQB, what's the syllabus, what are the prerequisites for giving this exam, and how we can proceed further with this exam, what exactly we have to do to pass this exam. So in this video, we will briefly discuss all these topics. So coming to the very first topic, who should do this exam? The answer is very simple for this question. Anybody who wants to be a test analyst, anybody who wants to be in a testing field is most welcome to pass this exam. Basically, this exam will give you a knowledge which is required for your testing career. So this exam is combination of some theory and combination of some concepts which are applicable for any candidate throughout his testing career, and that's why this exam is very important. So if you are a college graduate who is looking for a job, who wants to be in a testing field, or you are an experienced test analyst who is looking further deep dive into some topics, then this certification or this exam is very much important for you. And here we are talking about the foundation level certification. So as the word itself says, foundation is the very basic level, and this is the stem of all the testing related concepts. So this is the very important certificate, and anybody who wants to make his career in testing field should do it. Now let's see what exactly the syllabus of this foundation level exam. So coming to the syllabus of this exam, the whole syllabus is divided into some major topics. These broad topics are fundamentals of testing. This is one of the very broad topic. In this topic, you will read what testing is, why testing is necessary, what are the testing principles, and so on. Another broad topic is testing throughout the software development lifecycle. Here we will analyze the different models of software development lifecycle. So it can be waterfall model, spiral model, V model, agile model, and how testing is applied in all these kind of models. The third very important topic is static testing. Here we will see what kind of review processes are and what is the basics of static testing. Then very important topic is test techniques. Here we will see the major black box and white box testing techniques. We will also go through some experience-based test techniques. Then the next major topic is test management. Here you will see how we can estimate the test, how we can make the test plans, how we can define the test strategies, how we can analyze the risks which are associated with the testing process, how we can manage the defects. So again, a very important chapter. And the last main topic is, the major topic is tool support for testing. So here we will see what kind of tools are important for the testing and what are the considerations which we have to analyze, which we have to keep in our mind while analyzing the tools. So in a nutshell, there are 6 major topics and there are some subtopics associated with them. Now, another important thing is the learning objectives which are defined by ISTQB syllabus. So there are 3 learning objectives which are defined by ISTQB, and these learning objectives are K1, K2 and K3. So K1 itself implies it's remember. So here the learning objective is that the candidate should recall some facts and basic definition. Another learning objective for ISTQB is K2, where you have to understand. So you have to understand some concepts or understand some ideas. And the last level is the K3 level, in which you have to analyze something. So there will be one situation in front of you and then you have to do some analysis. And based on these 3 objective levels, you will see questions in your examination. So we can see for the first topic, which is the broad topic, the fundamentals of testing, there will be 2 questions from K1 level, 6 questions from K2 level, and there will be no question from K3 level. So it seems there will be 2 questions which are related with either some definitions or a very small concept. Then 6 questions will be on some big concept where you have to understand it, and there will be no situation based question. So in total for first chapter we will having 8 questions and their categorization is 2, 6 and 0. For the second topic, which is testing throughout STLC, we are having 5 questions in the exam, and out of 5 questions, 1 question is based on some definition or a very small concept, and 4 questions will be something where you have to understand the major concept. In the same way, static testing, there will be 1 question which comes for K3 level in which you have to analyze the situation, 3 questions from K2 level and 1 question from K1 level, and so on. So you will see from test techniques and test management, these are 2 major topics, and you are getting total number of questions for test techniques 11 and total number of questions for test management 9. So the numbers are saying by themselves that these topics are very important. And mostly, when we are going through the examination, we are having some difficulties in K3 level of questions because there's a situation, and in a situation you have to analyze the situation and then you have to answer it. And most of the situation based questions are coming, from test techniques and test management. So 7 questions. So there will be 8 questions which will be based on situation, and out of those 8 questions, 7 are coming from test techniques and test management. So this is a classification on K1, K2, K3 level of the whole syllabus. Now some facts. What is the pass percentage for passing this foundation level exam? So pass percentage is 65. There will be 40 questions in total, as you have already seen in this in the previous slide. Like here we are having 40 questions, and out of those 40 questions, for passing this exam you have to score at least 26 correct questions. Every question is carrying 1 mark. There is no negative marking, and there will be 60 minutes which are provided for this examination. So 60 minutes is for the candidates who are having English as a native language, and if your native language is not English, you are writing an exam in some other language, then there are some additional minutes which are giving to you for passing this for making this exam. Now, what are the advantages? As I already told you, if you are a college graduate and you are looking for some job opportunity in a testing field, and if you are doing this certification, then you will get an added advantage in the job interviews. And also, this is the fact that during the job interview, you are able to answer most of the questions because most of the questions are coming from ISTQB related concepts. So this whole examination, the syllabus of this examination of this certification is conceptually based on the better understanding of the testing process. And that's why this certification is very important. Even if you are having a certain years of experience in the testing field and you want to enhance your knowledge, you want a better job, because in most of the jobs you can see ISTQB certification is desirable. You want better job opportunities, then it's a very nice idea to have this certification. Now, how we can help you? So if you are interested in more videos, or you are interested in one-to-one training, or you are interested for downloading some sample questions, reference material, you can visit our site teachalesson.in. So here you will get a plenty of resources. If you are interested in one-to-one training there, then you can also get this one-to-one training. The whole idea is, for foundation level examination, you don't have to go through some book or any sample material, so you can just leave it up to us, and we will guarantee you that you will not only understand all the concepts, but you will pass this examination on the very first attempt. So that's all for the basic of ISTQB Foundation level certification. For more lessons and videos, visit our site or stay tuned. Thank you very much.